Hello friends, today our topic is patch request. So patch method is a request method in HTTP for making partial change to an existing resource. So you don't need to provide each details with the patch request. The changes you want to make, just provide those details with the user's ID in the base URL and that's it. You can make the changes you want. So for this particular request, we are going to use the same URL and the endpoint will be same. Just let me switch to the Postman first. And to create a patch request, just click on this plus icon, select the method type like patch, create the base URL. So the base URL is like https double slash reqres.in slash API slash users slash 2, and then we have to click on this body raw and then JSON format. Inside JSON format we are going to provide only one details, which is basically a name. That's it. And then we have to provide the detail, which is MYcsHUB.com. So we don't need to provide name, job, anything, each and every details from this request. Just put the change you want to make and then click on this send button. So those details will be updated based on the details you have provided from the body section. And you have to make sure while testing these API, the existing details should not be replaced in case of patch. Okay, so you have to be very careful about those things. Only the change you have made should be replaced. Not all details provided by you should be not all details which was provided by you earlier with the post request should be replaced here. Only changes you have made with the help of patch request, and the status could be like 200, and the time should be as expected as per the contract you have received from the development team. So these are the details you are going to test in the patch request as well.